So this is a question about sorting. So we've got some numbers in a list, and we've got the bubble sort algorithm to do. So the key thing is, then they've written this in this time on this question, is that you should show the order every time something's changed. And I think the reason for this is that sometimes it's difficult to see what we should write down in the boxes all the time. But the bubble sort, as you hopefully know, starts on the left hand side here, and it will compare the first two numbers or the first two items, and it will change them around if they're not in order. So 23 is less than 45. So we're going to write those numbers in. The other ones, we're just going to write in as they are, like this. Just keep writing them in like that. So the next comparison is 45 and 78. There's no change there. So then 78 and 55. Well, there is a change there because 55 is less than 78. So we'll make that change, and then we'll write in the other numbers as they are. So then we're going to compare 78 with 49, and there is a change there, 49 and 78. And again, we're just going to write the other numbers in as they are, just like this. And we've finished that one. So we got ourselves, I think, 3 marks for that one. So it's just a case of only changing where we need to change. So we made a change there, we made a change just there, and we made a change there. Okay, so a bit further on that question, they asked about the merge sort, which is another type of sort that we should know about. And the merge sort, the diagram needs to be completed to show how the merge part of the merge sort is applied. So they've already been split up into individual single numbers, and then we're going to merge pairs together. So we get these two pairs, 45 and 23, and we merge those as one list with 23 and 45. And we're going to look at the next pair here, and we've got 55 and 78. And it probably is worth drawing the boxes around these just to make it obvious that you've done what you've done. 49 is by itself, a little lonely, but it can stay there, that's fine. So then we're going to look at the next two lists. So these two lists here, I'm going to merge them together. So first of all, we'll look at 23, and we'll say, is 23 more than 55? No, it isn't, so we'll write down 23. Is 45 more than 55? No, so we're going to write down 45. And it just so happens that these things are actually already in the correct order. So again, we're going to just draw the boxes around those. And 49 still on its own. We've not been able to do anything with that yet. But now we're going to have done this bit here, and we'll merge this in together. So it'll merge into one list. So 23 to 49. They've already done this bit for us. We don't need to do this, but just to see how it works. 23 smaller than 49, yes, we write it in here. 45 smaller than 49, yes, we write it in here. It's 55 smaller than 49, no, so we write 49 in here, leaves us with 55 and 78. So we got some marks for doing this first bit and having 49 by itself, and we got some marks for doing that bit and still having 49 by itself. So there were 3 marks available for this one as well. So that was the merge part of the merge sort.